Hello everyone, welcome back to Amazing Smart. Chemistry has always been a fascinating field. Not just a collection of dry formulas on paper, but a world of lively phenomena happening all around us in everyday life. And today, I'm bringing you a very special experiment, restoring electricity to a dead battery using salt water. It may sound unbelievable at first, but let's go step by step and see how science is always full of surprises. Part 1. Checking the initial condition before we begin. We need to make sure the battery is truly dead. I take out a multimeter, a device used to measure voltage and current, and test the battery. When I place the probes on the battery terminals, the needle doesn't move at all. This proves the battery is dead. With no energy left, that's our challenge. From a seemingly useless battery, can we revive it with a simple method? Part 2. Preparing the materials for this experiment. I've prepared a few familiar items, a roll of aluminum foil, commonly used to wrap food. Aluminum conducts electricity well and is easy to shape. A phone charger with its cable. This will be our main power source to support the restoration process. A glass of water and a bit of table salt. When salt dissolves in water, it creates a salt solution, an electrolyte capable of conducting electricity. Finally, WD-40, a cleaning and anti-rust solution, to clean the battery after the experiment. Part 3. Setting up the system now. Let's set things up. I roll the aluminum foil into small balls and connect them. The positive plus terminal from the charger is wrapped around one aluminum ball. The negative terminal is attached to the battery's negative pole, secured with tape. This creates a temporary circuit, with aluminum foil acting as the conductor. Part 4. Preparing the salt solution. Next, I take a glass of water and add a pinch of salt. The salt dissolves, forming a dilute salt solution. This is our electrolyte, allowing sodium Na and chloride Cl ions to move freely and carry electric current. The salt solution acts as a bridge between the aluminum foil and the battery, enabling the transfer of electricity. Part 5. Placing the materials in the solution once the solution is ready. I drop the aluminum balls into the glass and place the battery inside as well. Then I plug the charger into the power source. At this point, electricity flows from the charger through the aluminum foil into the salt solution and finally into the battery. This is like a special charging process, not the usual way we charge batteries, but still based on electrochemical principles. Part 6. Waiting for the process. The system is left to sit for a short while. Meanwhile, let me explain the principle. The salt solution allows ions to move, creating a conductive path. Aluminum foil acts as a conductor, transmitting electricity from the charger into the solution. The dead battery receives current from the system. Similar to recharging energy, Part 7. Completing the process after some time. I remove the battery from the setup. To prevent corrosion, I clean it with WD-40. Once the battery is dry, I test it again with the multimeter. Scientific breakdown salt solution. When sodium chloride dissolves in water, it separates into Na and Cl ions. These ions move freely, allowing electricity to pass through. This is the principle of electrolysis. Aluminum foil. Aluminum is a good conductor. In contact with the salt solution, it helps transmit electricity from the charger to the battery. Battery. A battery works through chemical reactions between electrodes and electrolytes inside. When it's dead, those reactions are nearly complete. By supplying external current, we can partially reverse the reactions and restore energy. We've carried out a fascinating experiment, restoring electricity to a dead battery using salt water. From a useless battery, thanks to the combination of chemistry and physics, we managed to bring it back to life. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next episodes of Amazing Smart. See you again in more exciting scientific adventures.